Epitaph. Words that are written or said about a dead person. His epitaph read, "A just and noble citizen." Grisly. Extremely unpleasant and frightening. It was a grisly murder scene. Libido. Sexual desire. The man worried about his loss of libido. Epitome. A perfect example of something. He is the epitome of a modern man. Topple. To become unsteady and fall down, to make something fall down. The pile of blocks toppled over. Morose. Unhappy, in a bad mood, and not talking very much. He just sat there, looking morose. Impalpable. That which cannot be felt physically. The mosquito was impalpable as it continued to bite the child. Gratuitous. Done without any reason, and often having harmful effects. It was a completely gratuitous insult which her friend apologized for. Opaque. Not clear enough to see through or allow light through. The shower door was opaque. Postmortem. A medical examination of the body of a dead person. They're doing a postmortem on him today.